Alright guys, this video may apply to some and may not apply to others, but it should be about the same. Putting tow hooks on my 2014 Silverado 4x4 5.3 liter V8 half ton. There's a couple videos online that will explain it. I'm going to explain it the best I can real quick. So this is the driver's side. There's been some modifications to my truck because I guess a bumper's been replaced or whatnot. But these are your 2 bolts for your tow hook. The other one, there's only one on that side. Some say you have to pull the whole bumper off, but you don't. So what you need to do, that bolt right there, let's see if I can get that bolt right there. Go ahead and take it out. There's a bolt right here. This one, you're gonna take it out. This one, and it helps if you loosen that one. And the trick that I figured out is if you take a standard crowbar and hook it right here, let's see if I can, and you pry down, it will press this piece out enough to where you can slide a bolt in that way. It's a real pain in the butt. It takes forever if you're doing it by yourself, but you can do it. Again, you just slide this up in here. I can't do it one-handed, but prise this out after you remove all those 4 or 5 bolts, and then you can throw that one in. Same thing on the other side. It's just from a different angle or different direction, but that's how you do it. So something else that hasn't been mentioned in this technique of prying out this bumper bracket to get the bolts in, the tow hooks in, is this bolt right here. I think it's a 3/4. When you use the crowbar to pry this out, basically you're separating the 2 holes, because there's a piece up here. You're separating these 2 pieces of metal and the hole that this goes through. So to get this bolt back through, you need to press as hard as you can on basically the outside of the bumper lined up with this piece right here. So you press it back in, and it lines it up, and then you can get this bolt in, or these bolts in, without stripping them.